All right, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to part 2 here on the Box Breakers. We are live at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne. We got special guest star in the studio with us live today, Mr. Abraham. How's it going, Abe? If you didn't see part 1, go back and check that out, but we have our second box of Savage Strike. We ran out of time. We pulled 2 of the, what did we pull 2 of? 2 of something.
So at the moment, our pulls, so we got 6 ultra rares, which is a really good quantity of ultra rares. And if I remember correctly, I might be wrong. There's a standard of 4 ultra rares, maybe 6 is the new one. And 2 of our secrets. Our 2 secrets were TP's Trident Launcher and the new anti-Taiji card, which is a very good card, also short printed. So at the moment, the ratios have been a little bit less on that card. So it's really cool seeing it. But the most important card, we actually pulled the box card, which is Borolo Savage Dragon, which is a card that's sitting around $20, $25, maybe $30 at the moment, because it's a very competitive card and very good.
Awesome.
I didn't realize in the box came out.
No, just today. So
brand new Savage Strike.
Savage Strike is a official release date today. That was last week, if I remember correctly, on the weekend. But today's the official release date and the first day of official play. So a lot of the cards I've seen come to play, you're actually seeing a lot of the new decks come up and take some small local tournaments. So we'll see how it changes from that. The meta is diverse at the moment. So for all those people that don't know what the meta looks like right now, we have a variety of decks. That being said, I see a lot of decks getting new decks coming out. Sky Striker got a little bit of support, but it's arguably one of the best decks playable at the moment. But a lot of these turn 1 decks are getting new establishment, and then turn 2 decks are getting also some more support. So we just had one of our YuGiOh players ask a good question. When is the next Pendulum support coming out? Like strong Pendulum supports. At the moment, Pendulums about a year ago had their swan song, maybe a year and a half now, I think, which they got a lot of powerful support. They ended up getting a lot of cards banned really quickly. So, seeing now, we're going to go ahead and move forward and look forward to what's the new support. Right now, we just pulled a TG Star Guardian. Again, one of the new ultra rares for the set. We'll go ahead and put that in a little quick sleeve for you. Let's go ahead and, but it's a good question. We'll keep an eye out for that new support.
Yeah, the sculptor back came off famous. Like a week later, it was like, click.
Yeah. No, so he just mentioned that one of the cards that just came off the ban list went quickly, I think 1 or 2 rotations back later, completely off the banned again. So, funny, but powerful cards are powerful cards, right?
Yeah, it was like turn 1. You got sculptor back Joker with somebody who was set.
We got Valkyrie, Virti, and Dark Factory of More Production.
Yeah, so Dark Factory of More Production is a little bit of a spin-off of an old card, Dark Factory of Mass Production. So this is a rare version with similar artwork to that old card. A little bit of a Easter egg for players.
Sky Striker Ace.
So Sky Striker Ace Kaina. So Sky Striker's a very loved deck, very powerful, pretty much has a replayable Pot of Greed, essentially, so +1. So this is a card that's going to see probably be splashed into those Sky Striker decks that are already made their presence now. Cyber Synchron, and then this is a funny card right here. So this is a Super Armored Robot Armed Black Iron C, which is the new C series card. In addition to that, it's also a card that will be interesting to see some fun decks splash around with it.
We saw that quite a few times pulled in our first box.
Goodness gracious,
Here we go.
There we go. So we got Thanos. As you can tell, if you're a Marvel fan, you can see why this card is really being compared to Thanos from the Avengers or the Marvel Universe. But this is one of the cards that we want to see. It's Fantastical Dragon Phantasme. Beautiful name. This is arguably a new plus hand trap. So you ditch this, you play this card, and it lets you draw cards equal to the amount of linked monsters your opponent controls. Very powerful card, worth at least 50 right now.
Wow.
I'm seeing it ranging at 60 as well.
Wow.
So that's one of the cards we definitely want to see. Really good pull.
Very cool. And then we have Hyper Psychic Riser. There's the super armored robot arm Black Iron Sea again.
It's just a funny card. It's the first C card that's actually able to attack with decent damage.
It's all right. It's all right. We got a full house here at Joe's Card Shop. It's Yu-Gi-Oh night on Fridays. Elementor Hero, Brave Neos, Apple of Enlightenment. So on Mondays and Fridays here at Joe's Card Shop, we do game night, and so that's what you're hearing. There's a lot of people here for the game night. And tonight is Yu-Gi-Oh actually, so everybody's super excited about the new set coming out. Savage Strike. We got a lot of prank kids. Speed Burst Dragon. Time Thief. There's a Samurai Sword Master. There's more Time Thief. Here is the Shinryu Skill Saga Supremacy and a Rocket Cyclone. There's another squirt for Abe. Put a sleeve on this one here. All right, next pack. Neo's Fusion, Guard Dragon Cataclysm, Guard Dragon.
Here we go. This is the third one.
We did pull this one.
Okay, so the new Shiranui Link Monster, which is a cool card, but this one is the one that we'll see play in Dragon decks. So Guard Dragon Pitsy is the second in the chain that is played for the Guard Dragon little combo.
Look at this Fusion of Fire artwork.
This is actually a good card. This is a card that's going to be played in the Salamanders. So we have that, and we did miss another card right here. Sorry for cutting in. So two cards that are actually good value. We have Subterra Guru, which is the last and most valuable card in my opinion for the Subterra engine. It's a searcher, and it has some little bit of disruption. Then we have Fusion of Fire, which is the fusion spell that you use to bring out that violet sounding great card. So it's a cool little rare card right there.
So this one's just a common that has a little bit of value?
Yeah, just a little bit. It's like I've seen people sell it valuing it about 50 cents to a dollar.
Gotcha.
It's a common, so it's going to be out there a lot. But if you need a playset, you need a playset.
Sky Striker Ace
Kana again.
Kana.
Yeah. So this. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah.
So this card again, going to be played in the Sky Striker decks. It's the fourth element that we needed to complete the 4 elements. At the moment, the speculation is going forward to see if we're going to get a light and dark one.
Because I had the deck and I just need
It's trying to get it to focus, but it doesn't want to.
Is that better?
No.
Here. It's okay though. So
I know, now it's like I just want it to focus. There we go. Alright. And then after that we have
one of the new Charmer cards.
the Fire Charmer Ablaze. I think that's the second time. There's the Super Armored Robot again. Guard Dragon. We've seen most of these between this video and part 1 as well. Time Thief. There's a Trickstar Band Sweet Guitar.
Pretty little card right there. And then the next card is actually one of the rares you want to hit.
Really?
Yes. This is going for $2 to $3 at the moment as a rare. We'll see as the price value changes for it, but we're definitely a small hit. For a rare, it's good value at the moment. As the Salamander Greats get their new support and more cards, we'll see how the values change. We also saw one common that we kind of just glossed over a little bit. That's
Which one?
Orcus Nightmare.
Oh.
Orcus Nightmare is another card that's uncommon, but good value.
Oh, that's right. We have that one set aside.
Yes. So there's a lot of cards that we're kind of glossing over, but there's so much in this set that it's a good set to invest into for anyone to just get some good cards.
Elemental Hero.
Cosmo Neo. See, if you look at his hand, I would say this card's the Thanos looking card in my opinion. Looks like he has a little Infinity Gauntlet going for him, but
wow, super shiny. And then Guard Dragon and Drake. You've seen that one? All right, second half of our box.
Bam, there we go. Our first, the new Danger support cards. Danger YuGiOh. Danger YuGiOh is sitting at about $5 to $7 right now. It's a nice little rare to pull. Also,
Hyper Psychic Riser.
Where's that at? Yeah, 6
Danger YuGiOh.
Danger's in an soul charge.
Alright, next pack. It's fine, Abe. Don't worry. It's a packed house here at Joe's Card Shop. It gets loud on game night.
Oh, it's always another one of our Guard Dragon.
Guard Dragon Pisty. Dark Factory of More Production. Psychic Tracker. Clock Lizard. Salamander Foxer. Elemental Hero Cosmos Neos. It's the second one in a row of that. And then we got Salamander Great Violet Chimera. And so at the end, we'll do a recap of the first two boxes.
And here's our second secret for the box, Trickstar Live Stage. This is a card that we'll see play in all the Trickstar decks, especially since they lost their scapegoat little bit token engine. This card generates about 2 tokens max per turn. It also lets you recycle a card from your graveyard, Trickstar Monster to be more specific. So really cool card, really pretty. Supposed to be like the stage for the new Trickstar Fusion Monster. A little bit of a stage for her to play her guitar.
World Legacy World Arc. Oops. Just throwing that around.
I was hoping to get that.
Alright, next pack. Time Thief. Here's the Fateful Hour. And Salamander Great Sunlight Wolf.
Another Sunlight Wolf, definitely good to see those floating around in this box.
Is there need a motherfucker at all? Not a pot? Okay, you got this. Gosh. No, but they need some more. You got a pot. You can get that for Oscar. He'll definitely trade.
We got pots.
Oh no, I don't like it.
Elemental Hero Brave Neos. TJ Screw Serpent.
If I play Mars and maybe fucking Ultra Guys Feathers try it. Shut up, YuGiOh.
World Legacy Guard Dragon.
Definitely another good Ultra hit. This is the Guard Dragon continuous spell card where it lets you pretty much a special summon from your graveyard. Very good card. It's worth about $5 to $7 again as well. Another good Ultra to see in this set.
Very cool. And we have Lapis Dragon, Time Thief, and a couple other ones. Alright. Oh, camera down. Shinyaru Squire.
So Shinyaru Squire is actually the artwork card for Girl Meets Ghost. So just a little bit of a little lore thing right there for you. Really pretty card.
World Legacy World Arc.
Huh? Yeah. Last pack, yeah.
Guard Dragon Argapan.
So we got another Guard Dragon, and actually this is, I think, maybe the first incantation.
Yeah, this is.
Chalice Slime. So this is a card that's going to see play in a lot of the new, the resurgence of Necros, especially since Shuren just got banned, unbanned, back to 1, and also in other random ritual decks. Good ritual support that we actually see play. So that's really awesome.
All you had to do was get rid of 2. Let's see him always around. What are you doing here?
And this is a Thunder card, a new Thunder support that's also part of their stun engine. So when your opponent activates a monster effect while this card is face up, special summon card is on the field, you can quick effect tribute this card, negate the activation, and if you do, destroy it. Good little control. I'm interested to see which decks will make use of this. And the next card is another card that's actually really nice for a rare. Our Medolce.
Yeah, how's it say? Pedinga.
Yes. So good card. A lot of the the Dolce players are really happy to get that card on this side of the ocean.
Exactly. So, what reason do I not want?
Shinyaru
Spectral Sword Shade. Sorry, Spectral Sword Shade.
Another Cyber Cyclone.
Oh, the Guru.
All right, last pack, and then we'll do a recap. Last pack. Time Thief.
And we finish with
Guard Dragon LP.
I feel like everyone who opens this pack gets at least one of each of the Guard Dragons.
And Detonate Deleter.
One of them, but because they're super.
All right, so let's run through all of our. We'll run through all of our good cards here. Guard Dragon LP. Salaman Great Sunlight Wolf. Danger Okubo. Salaman Sunlight Wolf. Fusion of Fire. Guard Dragon Argapan. Guard Dragon Pitsy. TJ Trident Launcher. Super Anti-Keiju War Machine Mecha Thunder King. That one's awesome.
Oral Savage Dragon, that's a good one.
Trickstar Korobane, Trickstar Diverdas, TJ Star Guardian, Cyber's Quantum Dragon, Ghost Meets Girl, A Shinyaru Story, World Legacy Guard Dragon Trickstar Live Stage, Shinyarai Skilliska Supremacy, Fantastical Dragon,
Fantastical Dragon.
TJ Star Guardian, Garden Ellipse, Guard Dragon Argapan, and Sky Striker Ace. What's up, guys?
Oh, so he got a triple in a box?
Yeah, this was 2 boxes. This is the recap for 2 boxes. So thanks to Abe, thanks to Joe here at the card shop, thanks to all our subscribers and supporters. Hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. We upload box openings almost daily here on the Box Breakers. We're out.